Hey guys, it's Adri with Usborne Books and More, and today we have the full Peek Inside collection because it's my favorite line that Usborne carries. So we're going to just walk you through my favorite here, Beauty and the Beast. So it's thicker cardboard, and there's a few big flaps. So this is designed for the little ones in mind, even though it's so pretty. I don't love little ones like they're because oh careful, don't ruin it. But they're just gorgeous. So this is from the Fairy Tale collection with Cinderella and Little Red Riding Hood. Just super awesome. And now we have a new Peek Inside Jungle as well. It's part of our new one. Okay, show you some of these here. I haven't flipped through this one yet, so they're a little stiff. But oh, cute! Look at the elephant. Oh, fun! And my cat wants to make a debut here. Debut. All right. Froggy. It's the bird. Oh, cute. That's the jungle one here. So fun. And then I have the full collection of our originals. So you can buy this one in a box set for the 6 original ones. And that'll save you some money there, which is always nice. Let's see, which one is my favorite of these? The zoo is super cute. Let's do that one. So a lot of colors, really cute. Okay, some flaps, but mostly the peek through, hence the peek inside, right? Little peek through cutouts, and then you're looking to see what's going on in the, oh, I love this part. Who's hiding under there, under the mommy gorilla? Wait. Oh, it's her baby! Yay! Touchdown! So, yeah. I love these books. And yes, I'm kind of a goob, but, you know. We do what we do, right? Good night, elephant. So these are the Peek Inside books. Animal Homes. I love these books because while they're simple, they also have some great information and they're educational still, like classic Usborne. So dinosaurs in the garden and farm. Okay. And then of course our fairy tale line. Little Red Riding Hood, Beauty and the Beast, and Cinderella. And there we have it. Yay! So leave me some love here in the comments. Which one would you love to take home? What's your favorite? What piques your interest? And if you want to have a Facebook party, email me at booksfromadri@gmail.com and we will set that up. Because free books are always the best, right? Yeah. Hey, thanks guys. See you next time.